Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Yes. Today in additional, well, it's not the additional of today. Today's actually Thursday, May the 12th, 2022. We have no additional in today's newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's edition. Yesterday, Wednesday, May the 11th, 2022, we have 3 puzzles left. The letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. But first, I will solve the First, I will solve the letter Sudoku. Yes. Letter Sudoku number 4543. Yeah, 4543. Oh, no. 4542. Yeah. Correction. 4542. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed digits. No, not digits. Letters. The letters I can use are the B, the I, the M, the Z, the N, the A, the O, the J, and the R. JR, yes. And the goal is to solve this word. Well, we have here 3 missing letters. The B is missing, yeah. The R is missing. And the N is missing. All right. So the goal is to look for this word in the second column. So let's get started. Let me see. I in this column. I in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the I should be there. A in this column. A in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places left for the A should be here or there. We see there an A, no A there. A should be there. Well, we have 4 missing letters in the middle column. 2 of those missing letters are the R and the I. We have an R and an I in this big square, so no R and I in these 2 boxes. The R and the I goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, R and I, R and I. So what are the other 2 missing letters in this column? The B is missing. And the M is missing. The B and M. B and the M. B and the M. So now we have 2 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the N is missing. And the J is missing. The N and the J. Well. Interesting. 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the I and the M. We have an I and an M in this row, so no I and M in these 2 boxes. The I and M goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. I and an M, I and an M. We have an I there, so no I there. I should be here and M goes there. 2 missing letters now in this big square. For letters, Z is missing. And the J is missing. Z and a J. We have a Z there, so no Z there. Z should be here, and a J goes there. Now we have a J there, so this box can't be J anymore. That box should be a J. And this box should be an N. One box left in this column for the letter. The B is missing here. B in this row, B in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the B should be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing letters in this big square. One of the letters is missing is the B. Yes, the B. We need a B. So B in the last row, B in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the B should be here or there. We see there B, no B there, B should be here. B in the first column, B in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the B should be there. Now we have a B there, so this box can't be B anymore. That box should be a B. And this box should be an M. Alright. B in the first row, B in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the B should be here or there. We see there B, no B there. Here B, no B there. The only place left for the B should be there. And all the B's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter B. Oh, right. I, M, A. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an N. We have an N in the third column. So no N in these 3 boxes here, and N in the second row. So no N in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the N should be there. And we have a pair. And an A in this row. And an A in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the N and A should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. N and the A, N and the A. So 1 letter is missing now in the third row for the letter. A is missing here. No. A we have here. Z is missing. The Z. Alright. Z. Okay. And the N. Then. We have a Z in this row, Z in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the Z should be here or there. We have a Z there, no Z there, Z should be there. Z. Then 2 missing letters in the second column. Those missing letters are the N is missing and the R is missing. N and R and an R. Well, we have an N in this big square, so no N in this box. So the N should be here and the R goes there. So we have the solution here. In Dutch, ambrozijn. In English, ambrosia. I think, yes, ambrosia. Alright. In 9 minutes. Let me continue with the puzzle then. Okay. Let me see. Now we have an R there, so this box can be R anymore. That box should be R. And this box should be an I. in this row, O in the middle row. So on the row above, the only place left for the O should be there. Then M in this row, M in the last row. So on the row between, the only place left for the M should be there. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the O. We have an O in the last row, so no O in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the O should be there. O in this row, O in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the O should be here. Oh, there we see there, no O there. O should be here. Oh. 1 box left in this row for the letter A is missing here. The A in this row, A in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the A should be here or there. We see there an A, no A there. A should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the letter R, I believe. Yes, the R is missing. 2 missing letters in this row for the letters R is missing, and the N is missing. R and N, R and N. We have an R there, no R there. R should be here, and the N goes there. Then 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters N is missing and the M is missing. And an M and an M. We have an N there, no N there. N should be here and the M goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters M is missing. And the J is missing. M and a J, M and a J. We have an M there, no M there. M should be here and the J goes there. So we have an M, so 2 missing letters in this row. For the letters M is missing, and the R is missing. M and R, M and R. We have an M there, no M there. M should be here, and the R goes there. So we have an M in the last column, M in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the M should be here or there. We see there an M, no M there. M should be there. And all the M's are used. I can see. Letter number 2, letter M. 1 box left in the first column for the letter N. I believe the N is missing. Yes, the N. Oh, not good. We already have an M here. So it's not the N, it's the other letter. With digits I can do a double check, but here with letters I cannot do the double check. The R. Yeah, this should be the R. The R is missing. Okay, R is missing. Alright, 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters O is missing and the J is missing. O and a J, O and a J. I cannot fill this yet. O.J. Simpson. How about these 2 missing letters in the middle row? For the letters A is missing, and the A and the I is missing. A and I. A and I. I cannot fill this yet. AI. Yeah. How about these 2? No. OJ. These two missing letters in this big square. I is missing and a J is missing. I and a J. IJ. How about these three? IJ and the Z is missing here. The Z. Three missing letters in this column. One of the missing letters is the Z. Well, we have a Z in the last row, so no Z in this box. Here also Z in the second row, so no Z in that box. So one box left for the Z should be there. Z in this column. Z in the column next. So the last column, don't need two places left for the Z should be here or there. We see there Z, no Z there, Z should be there. So now we have two missing letters in the first row. The OJ are missing. We have an O there, so no O there. O should be there, and the J goes there. One box left in this big square for letter J. Two boxes left in this big square for letters O is missing and the I is missing. O and I, O and I. We have an O there, no O there. O should be here and the I goes there. Now we have an I there, so this box can be I anymore. That box should be an I, and this box should be a J. And now we have an I there, so this box can be I anymore. That box should be an I, and this box should be an A. Now we have an A there, so this box can be A anymore. That box should be an A. And this box should be an N. Final two letters in this big square for letters N is missing and the M is... No, we have an M here. N is missing and the J is missing. Yeah, the J. We have a J there, so no J there. J should be here. And the N goes there, finishing 17 minutes. Told you for a letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes. A little bit longer than the one-star Sudoku. One-star Sudoku, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, this is 17 minutes. Alright. Thank you. And I will see you later with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.